Hi everyone, in this video I will just let you know how you can make a Facebook cover. So Facebook cover is mostly used in like making when your people they are making the pages like Facebook pages for their business, and we can say some organization. So there we need required a Facebook cover page, and that cover is almost designed, means you can design it very well. And in few steps I will just let you know how you can design a Facebook cover. So what you need to do, just come on in the Canva app. So I will go in the Canva app. Canva is very easy software, so anyone can use, and you no need to pay anything for that. Means if you are have a creative skill, or you can just edit a little bit and you can get the results. So thing is that what you need to do, you have to come here in the social media, click over here and search for the, like here we have in up only we have the option Facebook cover, and it will come on the landscape. So the size should be 851 to 351. Okay, so you have to click over here, not this one, it's a post size. Okay, so just click on the Facebook cover. After that, what you need to check, like if you are making the business page or something like that, the cover, so means the business is related with any niche, so that you need to do, what you need to do, you have to come here in the like designing part. Okay, here you need to write a Facebook cover. Other than that, you can write Facebook cover page for and your niche of the business, you can that also do. And but I will just suggest you, for the suggestion I will go here and write for the real estate. Yeah, here when I am clicking for the real estate, and here I have some option to create some banner for a cover page for Facebook. So what I will do, select any one of them, this is looking good, and profession too. So I will click here and just increase the zoom. Okay, so how it will look like. So what I need to do, if my farm name is means the company name or firm or organization name, you can edit easily. Here you can write anything, like if I will write Eva Foundation. For example, I am writing, not just targeting any audience or something like. Okay, so this is name of the organization, and here it's related dealing with the real estate. Here you can just replace the logo. How you can upload the logo, you have to come here and click over here for the upload file, and just here you can just drag and drop, or you can just select your logo. After that, selecting the logo, like I have my this company logo, so this I can use here, and just delete this old one, and I can use this logo here. So you can just replace the logo as per your need, means to make the page look some professionally. And after creating this, you can just edit the contact number if you want to give there, or you can just add the website if you have, so the location also you can add. Okay, and any other information if you want to add, so you can just duplicate this content and add some address or whatever, anything, if you message or title or subtitle you need to add, so that you can easily add as per your need. Okay, so I will just write for the dummy, and you can anything you can write as per your need. What you if you want to change this background, so for the background change, you can just come here in the elements, just search for the building, or you can search for the real estate. So here I have some suggestion over here, and click to see see all. After seeing this, like you can select any one of the image, like they have used this image, I think. Yeah, it's looking similar with that. I will use any other image to show you how you can change that. Just click over on this image, and I will just adjust the size of the image while selecting here. Now what I need to do, go in the position. In the position I will select for the layer. In the layer I will just drag and drop this image in the last of this part. Okay, now it is looking in a white okay, and the content should be in the white, like it's a brightness should be more there. So what I can do, just come in the element again, search for the rectangle, and here I have the option for the rectangle. And the rectangle is came. Now what I will do, I will just select on the color, select the black, and I will just drag and drop and resize the rectangle. And what I will do, I will come in the position in the layer, and then I will just drag and drop and put above this image. And while selecting this rectangle, I will come in the transparency and just minimize it, the transparency as per my need. Okay, so it should be visible and easy to read. That content should be easy to read, like that I can put, like it's 7.2 sorry 72, so I will put in the 72 or 74, something like that. Okay, so this I will adjust as per my need. And now how I can just export this image after creating it. So I will just click on the share. And one more thing, if you want to edit some font, so you can select font here, from here also, and some we can say artwork you need to add. So you can search here some artwork in the elements, like some location or some symbols. Okay, so how you can just export it, just click on the share. And the share, you can just click over the download button. In the download, I will suggest you to go with the JPG. In the JPG, you can just increase the quality size of your image. I will just do it 100% and download this image. Don't adjust the size and all, just click over here, download. It is downloading. Let's see the results. So it is downloaded. Now I will click on this image. Okay, so view full screen. Okay, how it's looking, it's looking good, and you can use it as a Facebook cover page in your Facebook page or any organization. It depends on your business niche. So just follow me for the more update, and just like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.